Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here to discuss a topic AVL tree and B tree in the data structure. Myself is Anuj Kumar. I am the assistant professor in Computer Science and Engineering department in Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So today we have to discuss what is an AVL tree, and second one how to draw a AVL tree, and next if these are complete, next is the what is the B tree and what are the properties of B tree, and next is the draw a B tree and where we use AVL tree and the B tree in the computer science applications. So what is an AVL tree? AVL tree is just like it is known as a height balance tree, and these are the three scientists which have to be discover the AVL tree and name their first name, that is A, that is V, and V, that is the AVL tree. So AVL tree is also known as the height balance tree. In this tree, the AVL tree is just like as a binary search tree. Means in the binary search tree, when we have to be insert draw a tree, suppose we have to be insert a element 10, then we have to be insert 5, we have to be check 5 is less than 10, so it will becomes in the left part, and we have to be insert 20, so it will become in the right part 20 here. Okay, so here these tree are the AVL tree. कैसे परफॉर्म करता है? जस्ट एज ए बाइनरी ट्री के अकॉर्डिंग परफॉर्म करता है. जो भी स्मॉलर वैल्यूज होगी वो कहाँ पे वी हैव टू बी पुट इन द लेफ्ट साइड, और जो भी लार्जर वैल्यूज है वी हैव टू बी पुट ऑन द राइट साइड. AVL ट्री के अंदर दैट इज ए मेन प्रॉपर्टी, द हाइट ऑफ द लेफ्ट सब ट्री एंड द हाइट ऑफ द राइट सब ट्री इज का मोड इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1. दिस इज द मेन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द AVL tree. That tree which satisfy this property, we can say that it is a AVL tree. And why we use AVL tree? Before that, the searching time in a binary search tree is big O of h. H is the height of a tree. What is the height? It means we have to be find out these we have to be draw the nodes. The height is the that is 0, 1 and 2, and 1 the height of the tree we have to be calculate. So when we have to be search this element, so it will be depend the height. Means कि अगर मैंने यहाँ पे बात करें कि we have to be search out the 1, तो firstly start from 10, then move 5, then move 3, then move 1. So it's how much time it will be take, so it will be depend the order of the h. Second one thing, when we have to be draw a AVL tree, so every node when we have to be insert that has a balance factor. Every node in a tree has a balance factor, and how we calculate the balance factor? The balance factor is calculated, that is HL minus HR, where HL is the left height and HR is the right height. And it is also known as the height balance tree. So it also satisfies, as we have to be discussed here, कि left height minus right height का mode is less than equal to 1. And AVL tree is a height balanced binary search tree. We can be कि हम इसको AVL tree को क्या बोल सकते हैं? That is a height balanced binary search tree. ये binary क्यों? क्योंकि ये binary search tree की property को satisfy करेगा, और साथ के साथ when we have to be insert and node, it will be check out the height. When we have to be insert the element, suppose we have to be insert the element 10, then we have to be insert 5, then we have to be insert suppose 3. All these are the less element from the 10, so they are comes into the left part. When we have to be insert every nodes, so it has a balance factor. Suppose we have to be insert the first node, that is 10, so we have to be define the what is the balance factor of this node, and we have to be calculate the balance factor is that is HL minus HR. Here height of this left height is 0, right height is 0. So HL minus HR means that is it has a balance factor 0. When we have to be insert 5, we have to be check first कि 5 is less than 10, so it will become in the left part. Again we have to be calculate the balance factor of both node. What is the balance factor of this? That is HL minus HR. Left height is 0, right height is 0, so its height is 0. Now we have to be calculate the balance factor of 10. Left height is 1, right height is 0, that is 1 minus 0, so its balance factor is 1. So when we have to be insert every nodes, we have to be check the balance factor, and the here when we have to be calculate the balance factor, always its value should be minus 1, 0, plus 1. Means every node which has the value that is 0, plus 1 or minus 1. If suppose we have to be insert 3 here, so what is the balance factor of 3? Left height is 0, right height is 0, HL minus HR is 0. It means it has a balance factor 0. What is the balance factor of 5? Left is 1, right is 0. 1 minus 0, that is a balance factor of plus 1 or 1. What is the balance factor of 10? Left height 1 and 2, right height is 0. So 2 minus 0, that is a balance factor of 2. So it is not be a AVL tree. When it is come, it will have the balance factor is minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So if a node has a balance factor above or less than from the minus 1 to the plus 1, so we have to be apply the some rotations on the AVL tree. We have to be apply the some rotations on the AVL tree, and there are 4 type of rotations, and there are the 4 types of the rotations. Number 1 left rotation, second right रोटेशन जिसको हम RR भी इंडिकेट करते हैं, थर्ड वन इज लेफ्ट राइट रोटेशन दैट इज LR रोटेशन, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज द RL रोटेशन दैट इज द राइट लेफ्ट रोटेशन. देन हाउ इट विल बी वर्क, लेफ्ट जिसको हम डिफाइन करते हैं दैट इज द LL रोटेशन, मींस वी हैव टू बी रोटेट इट ओनली एज ए सिंगल टाइम, कि मुझे इसको एक बार ही रोटेट करना है. और कहां रोटेट करते हैं, जस्ट रोटेट इन द राइट साइड, मींस कि जैसे ही मेरा लेफ्ट रोटेशन आएगा तो उसको मुझे कहां रोटेट करना है, इनटू द राइट साइड. कैसे, मींस ये एलिमेंट्स मैंने यहाँ पे इंसर्ट किया. फर्स्ट वन इज C, सेकंड कौन सा आया B स्मॉलर देन C, देन इट विल गोज टू द लेफ्ट पार्ट, देन A इज स्मॉलर देन B, देन इट विल बी गोज टू द left part of the B. तो balance factor of A is 0, balance factor of B is 1, balance factor of C is 2. So when until we have to be apply some rotations and we have to be make it balance factor will be comes into 0, plus 1 or minus 1, then we have to be insert the next element. So how we can be check ki which rotation we have to be apply here, we have to be consider node, the node किसका balance factor change हुआ, that is C. We have to be element the insert A. तो C के लेफ्ट मींस कौन सा रोटेशन आ गया, दैट इज लेफ्ट रोटेशन. और लेफ्ट रोटेशन क्या कह रहा है कि रोटेट इनटू द राइट साइड एंड वन टाइम, राइट साइड एंड द वन टाइम्स. तो विच नोड चेंज द बैलेंस फैक्टर, तो वी हैव टू बी रोटेट इट इनटू द राइट साइड एंड ओनली वन टाइम. तो व्हेन वी हैव टू बी रोटेट हियर, तो B is come here, A is this side and C is this side. Now we have to be check the balance factor. A left height minus right height, that is 0. C left height minus right height, that is 0. And what is B? Left height is 1, right height is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have to be insert the next element. Until every node has a balance factor 0, plus 1 or minus 1, we cannot be insert the next element. And second one is one thing, when we have to be apply the rotations, so every node has a balance factor that is plus 1, 0 or minus 1. Second one is we have to be insert the element in the right side, ki A we have to be insert B, we have to be insert C. How we can be find out ki which rotation we have to be applied, the node which change the balance factor, that is A. balance factor किसका change हुआ, A का. node कौन सा insert किया, that is C. that is means A के right to right means कौन सा rotation हो गया, that is राइट RR भी क्या कहता है कि वी हैव टू बी रोटेट एट द सिंगल टाइम एंड इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, मींस व्हेन राइट अकर वी हैव टू बी रोटेट दैट ट्री इनटू द लेफ्ट साइड. सो वी हैव टू बी रोटेट इनटू द लेफ्ट साइड एंड वन टाइम. व्हेन वी हैव टू बी रोटेट, तो B is occur here, A is here and C is here. So also we have to be check the balance factor. We have to be check the balance factor from bottom to the top. That is A left height 0, right height 0, its balance factor is 0. What is C? Left height is 0, right height 0, its balance factor is also 0. And what is the balance factor of B? Left height is 1, right height is 1, so balance factor is 0. Means ki when we have to be apply these two rotations, so we have to be perform only one time, means single rotation. कब कि जब अगर LL या RR रोटेशन हुआ तो हमने उस ट्री को कितनी बार रोटेट किया, ओनली एट द वन टाइम. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इफ अकर लेफ्ट राइट रोटेशन मींस 2 इज अकर, तो इट विल बी रोटेट डबल टाइम, 2 times will be rotate 2 times. Number 1, first one is left side and then is the right side. How it will be work? कि suppose we have balance factor is change of C node and we have to be insert the B node. तो firstly we have to be find out कि which rotation we have to be apply. किसका rotation change हुआ? C का. Which element we have to be insert? That is B. तो C के left के right, that is left to right. तो कौन सा rotations आ गया है? Left to right. तो what does it say? जिस नोड का बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ है उसके नीचे वाले को फर्स्टली वी हैव टू बी रोटेट इन द लेफ्ट साइड, कि मैंने इसको कहां पे रोटेट कर दिया है? लेफ्ट साइड. उसके बाद जिस नोड्स का बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ है उसको कहां पे रोटेट किया? राइट साइड. मींस इट विल बी परफॉर्म द टू रोटेशन. अगेन आई रिपीट कि व्हेन LR और RL इज अप्लाई it will be on the double rotation, means we have to be rotate tree at 2 times. The node which has the change the balance factor, the subtree, the child, we have to be rotate to the left side, and जो नोड्स है जिसका बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ उसको कहां पे रोटेट किया हमने? राइट साइड. मींस सी को अभी हमने चेंज नहीं किया. किसको रोटेट किया? इस ट्री को रोटेट किया. तो बी कहां गया? अपर साइड. ए कहां गया? दिस साइड. नाउ अभी तक हमने क्या अप्लाई किया? ओनली वी हैव टू बी अप्लाई वन रोटेशन, मूव टू द लेफ्ट. नाउ वी हैव टू बी मूव टू द राइट. तो देन व्हेन वी हैव टू बी मूव इन द राइट साइड, तो माय फाइनल ट्री इज that is A and that is C. Okay, so when we have to be apply the LR, same we have to be apply the RL. The node which have changed the balance factor, that is A. So element which is insert B. How we can be find out? A के right का left means A to right का left. Again same similar कि यहाँ पे किया था कि firstly right apply करना है किसके ऊपर? जिस नोड का बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ है उसके नीचे वाला, उसका पूरा सब ट्री. तो इसको मैंने कहां पे रोटेट किया? फर्स्टली राइट. और फिर जिसका बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ है उसको कहां पे रोटेट किया? दैट वी हैव टू बी अप्लाई द राइट. तो व्हाट इज विल बी अकर? फर्स्टली वी हैव ए चेंज इन द राइट साइड, दैट इज बी एंड दैट इज सी. नाउ मूव टू द लेफ्ट साइड. तो व्हाट इज माय ट्री? दैट इज बी एंड ए एंड सी. Now we have to be check the balance factor. A is left height, right height 0 है, right height भी नहीं है, इसका left height भी नहीं है, तो इसका balance factor 0. B का left height is 1, right height is 1, तो its balance factor is 0. Means when we have to be apply these two rotations LR and RL, तो we have to be rotate the tree how much time? 2 times. And when we have to be apply any rotations, every tree has a balance factor +1, -1 and the 0. Okay, now we have to take a problem. Suppose these are the problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, and we have to be draw the AVL tree of the flowing data. So what we do first, when we have to be insert any nodes, convert into a tree or make a AVL tree, so we have to be check out the balance factor. Or balance factor value should be 0, +1 and -1. Clear? Now suppose we have to be firstly we have to be write the problem, that is A, Z and okay, we have to be take it wait. Suppose we have to be take a simple example 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 8, 9, 90. We have to be insert these element and we have to be draw the AVL tree. So firstly what we do, we have to be insert 10. So when we have to be insert 10, this is a node. Every time we have to be find out the balance factor. Its left height is 0, right height is 0, its balance factor is 0. Okay, its balance factor is lie between the -1 to the +1. So now we have to be insert the next element. Now we have to be insert 20. अब we have to be find out कि 20 क्या है? 10 से बड़ा, तो it will be goes to the right side, this side. Again we have to be find out the balance factor. Balance factor of 0, 20 is 0. 10 का balance factor, left height 0, right height कितना है? 1, that is 0 -1. कितना आ गया? That is -1. Again it is true. Now we have to be insert, that is 30. When we have to be insert 10 से बड़ा है, इधर जाएगा. इधर कौन सा है? 20. 20 से भी बड़ा है तो कहां जाएगा वो? 20 के राइट में. नाउ वी हैव टू बी चेक द बैलेंस फैक्टर. द बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 30 इज 0. नाउ द बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 20, लेफ्ट हाइट 0, right height is 1. So 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Now we have to be check the balance factor of 10. What is the balance factor of 10? Left height 0, HL कितना है हमारा 0, right height is 1 and 2. तो HR कितना आ गया, that is 2. तो 0 minus 2, that is the minus 2. So now firstly we have to be change the balance factor. We have to be apply the rotations. There are the 4 type of rotations. We have to be apply any rotations on that tree, and when it comes the balance factor is 0, plus 1 and the minus 1, then we have to be insert the next element. So how we can be find out ki which rotation we have to be apply, which node has the change the balance factor, that is 10, and which node we have to be insert 30. 10 to right के right means वहां पे कौन सा रोटेशंस आ गया, राइट राइट. और राइट राइट रोटेशंस क्या कह रहा है यहाँ पे कि हमने जब राइट राइट को किया सिंगल टाइम रोटेट करना है और रोटेट इन द लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, किस नोड का बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ दिस, तो इसको मुझे कहां रोटेट कर देना, वी हैव टू बी रोटेट इनटू द राइट लेफ्ट साइड. तो ऊपर मेरा रूट नोड कौन सा आ गया, दैट इज 20, दैट इज 10 एंड दैट इज 30. तो इट्स बैलेंस फैक्टर 10, लेफ्ट हाइट 0, राइट हाइट 0, दैट इज ए बैलेंस फैक्टर 0. अगेन इट्स बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0, लेफ्ट हाइट इज 1, राइट हाइट इज 1, तो 20 का बैलेंस फैक्टर मेरा कितना है, दैट इज 0. क्लियर. व्हेन वी हैव टू बी अप्लाई द balance rotations, any rotations on the tree, तो its balance factor must be 0, plus 1 and minus 1. अगर rotations के बाद भी कहीं ना कहीं मेरा यहाँ पे balance factor changes जाता है तो we have doing the some mistakes. Okay, तो now is balance factor is okay. Now we have to be insert the next element, that is 40. तो what is our final tree, that is 20, 10 and 30. 40 20 से larger, 30 से larger, that is we have to be insert here. Balance factor of this is 40, 30 का left height 0, right height 1, that is minus 1. 10 का balance factor, left height 0, right height 0. 20 का balance factor, left height is 1, right height is 2. तो 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, means it's okay. So we have to be insert the next element. What is the next element? So we have to be insert 50. So our tree is 20, 10, 30, 40. Now we have to be insert the 40. When we have to be insert any element, it will be follow the binary search tree property. It will be follow the binary search tree property. Means अगर वो elements 20 से smaller है, then it will goes to the left side. अगर वो elements क्या larger from the this value, then it will be goes to the right side. तो we have to be insert 50. 20 larger है, कहाँ गया 30, अगेन वी विल बी चेक. 50 इज लार्जर देन 30, देन मूव नेक्स्ट 40. 50 इज अगेन लार्जर देन 50, तो इट विल बी गोज 40 का राइट. नाउ वी हैव टू बी चेक द बैलेंस फैक्टर. बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 10 इज 0. नाउ बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 50, दैट इज 0. बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 40, लेफ्ट हाइट 0, राइट हाइट 1, दैट इज द minus 1. बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 30, बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 30, लेफ्ट हाइट 0, राइट हाइट 1 and 2, तो बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ is 2. What is the balance factor of 20? 1, 1, 2 and 3. So balance factor of 20 is 2, means here we have two nodes that balance factor is minus 2. So now firstly what we do, we have to be apply any type of rotations here. Second one is thing, firstly we have to be change the balance factor of the child node, then we have to be discuss with the पेरेंट नोड. मीन्स अगर दो नोड्स का वहां पे मेरा बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हो गया है तो रूट नोड का चेंज करने से पहले हम किसका चेंज करेंगे, चाइल्ड नोड का. तो किसका चेंज करेंगे, फर्स्टली चाइल्ड नोड, दैट इज 30. विच एलिमेंट वी हैव टू बी इंसर्ट 50. तो 30 के राइट टू राइट मीन्स विच रोटेशंस आर. तो वो क्या कहता है कि जिस नोड का बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ दैट इज 30, उसको कहां रोटेट करना है, 1 टाइम, और कहां पे रोटेट करना है, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, मीन्स इन द लेफ्ट साइड. So what is the tree? 20 and 10. When we have to be rotate here, we have to be rotate here. So what will become? 40 is here. Upper gaya 30 is this side and 50 is this side. Clear? So 30's balance factor is 0. 50 balance factor is 0. 40 balance factor, left height is 1, right height 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0. 20 balance factor, left height 1, right height 1 and 2, तो 1 minus 2 that is the minus 1. Now we have to be, when we have to be apply any rotations, so it must compulsory that its balance factor is satisfy the plus 1 and the minus 1 properties. Okay. Now we have to be insert the next element, that is 60. When we have to be insert the element 60, so that is 20, 10, 40, 30, 50. तो 60 is 20 larger than, 40 से भी larger है, 50 से भी larger है, तो it will be goes right side of the 50. So what is the balance factor? 60 balance factor is 0 because left height 0, right height 0. 50 balance factor, left height 0, right height 1, that is the minus 1. 30 balance factor is 0. 40 balance factor, left height कितना है 1, right height कितना है 2. 1 minus 2, that is a minus 1. 10 का balance factor is 0. 20 का balance factor, left height कितना 1, here is 1, 2 and 3. Now its balance factor is 1 minus 3, that is the minus 2. So next we have to be, next element we have to be insert, before that we have to be apply the rotation. So which node has the change the balance factor, that is 20, and which element we have to be insert 60. So means 20 ki right to right, ki here we have to be consider here कि what is the right to right, but we have to be consider only two rotations, means कि 20 के right to right हुआ है, but हमें वहां पे कौन करना है only the first two, कि means 20 के right to right में element वहां पे हमारा insert हुआ है. तो what is the right operations, कि we have to be rotate that tree at one time, and which side? In the opposite side, means RR we have to be rotated into the left side. So when we have to be rotate here, so 40 comes the root node, 40 comes the root node, here is 20 and here is 10. This is the left part, right part is, that is 50, that is 60. Now we have to be, when we have to be rotate here, 40 comes here and 40 to left is 30, but here when we have to be rotate, 40 का left कौन सा है, that is 20. So where we have to be insert, तो इट व्हेन वी हैव टू बी इंसर्ट इन द लेफ्ट साइड, तो जो भी मेरा किसी भी नोड का लेफ्ट पार्ट है, तो जो रूट नोड अभी है 20, वो कहां आएगा नीचे, तो वो मेरा क्या बन जाएगा 20 का राइट पार्ट, मींस मेरा 30 कहां पे आएगा हियर. क्लियर. नाउ वी हैव टू बी चेक द बैलेंस फैक्टर. इस बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0, इट्स बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0, इट्स बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0, 60 बैलेंस फैक्टर 0, 50 is -1 and 40 is 1 and 2, 1 and 2, to 2 minus 2, that is the 0. Clear. Always when we have to be insert, it will be follow which property, that is the BST property, binary search property. So in the binary search property, every node satisfy, means that is value is 40, so smaller value is in the right side or left side, or larger value is in the right side. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to be insert the value 8. Now we have to be insert the value 8, and where it will be goes, that is 20, 10 say small, this is my, firstly we have to be draw the tree, 30, then 50, then 60. 8 is come here, 8 says smaller है this side, its balance factor is 0, 10 का balance factor is, that is +1, 30 balance factor 0, 20 का left height is 1 and 2, right height is 1, that is the +1. Here 60 balance factor is 0, 50 का balance factor, left height 0, right height is 1, that is the -1, 40, 1, 2, 3, और here is right height कितना 1 and 2, तो 3 minus 2, that is the +1. When we have to be insert the 8, so its value is this. Now we have to be insert 9. What is our tree? That is 40, that is 20, that is 10, here 8, 30, 50, 60. Clear? We have to be insert 9. 40 say smaller, then we'll be check 20, 20 say smaller, 10, 10 say smaller, 8, 8 say क्या है larger, then it will be the right side 9. अगेन फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस फैक्टर, इट्स बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0, इट्स बैलेंस फैक्टर लेफ्ट हाइट कितना है 0, राइट हाइट कितना है 1, तो 0 माइनस 1 दैट इज -1। 10 का बैलेंस फैक्टर लेफ्ट हाइट 1 एंड 2, राइट हाइट 0 दैट इज द +2। 30 0, 60 is 0, 20 का 1 2 3, 3 minus 1 that is +2, here is 50 minus 1 40, 1 2 1 2 3 and 4 1 and 2 that is the +2। now what we do, 40 का चेंज करने से पहले मुझे किसका चेंज करना है, उसके चाइल्ड का 20, और 20 का चेंज करने से पहले मुझे किसका चेंज करना है, दैट इज द 10। तो वी हैव टू बी, किसका बैलेंस फैक्टर, फर्स्टली वी हैव टू बी सॉर्ट आउट 10 का बैलेंस फैक्टर, एलिमेंट वेयर वी हैव टू बी इंसर्ट 9, तो 10 टू लेफ्ट टू राइट मींस कौन सा रोटेशन, लेफ्ट टू राइट, LR। तो मींस वी हैव टू बी अप्लाई द डबल रोटेशन। तो जिस नोड का बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ उसके नीचे वाला जो भी कंप्लीट ट्री है उसको फर्स्टली कहां रोटेट करना है, दैट इज द लेफ्ट साइड। उसके बाद जो ये ट्री जिसका बैलेंस फैक्टर चेंज हुआ है उसको मुझे कहां रोटेट करना है, राइट साइड। तो हमने क्या किया, दैट इज 40, हियर 20, हियर इज 30, इसको चेंज नहीं किया, हियर कितना है 50 और हियर इज 60। नाउ फर्स्टली वी हैव टू बी 10, ओके सॉरी दिस इज 10, वी हैव टू बी रोटेट ऑन द राइट साइड, लेफ्ट साइड। तो जैसे लेफ्ट में किया 9 हियर 8 दिस टाइम, अब 10 को कहां करना है मुझे, राइट साइड। तो जैसे ही मैंने 10 को राइट साइड में रोटेट किया, दैट इज 40, दैट इज 20, 9 कहां पे आ गया, रूट इसका लेफ्ट 8, इसका राइट 10 एंड 20 का राइट दैट इज 30 and here is 50 and here is 60। now we have to be check again the balance factor, balance factor of 8 is 0, balance factor of 10 is 0, 9 का balance factor that is 0, 30 का balance factor ना left height है ना right height है, that means 0, 20 left में कितना है 1 and 2, right में कितना है 1, that is 2 minus 1 that is the +1। now we have to be find out the balance factor, 60 is 0, 50 left height 0, 60 that is -1, 40 left height कितना 1 2 3, we have to be find out the level, we have to be how we have to be find out the height, we have to be find out the level 1 2 and 3, here is 1 and 2, so 3 minus 2 that is the +1। clear? so this is our main, when we have to be apply the rotations, so which tree we have to become, its balance factor must be +1 -1 and the 0। now we have to be insert the 90, I have do something here, 90 इंसर्ट करना कहां जाएगा, 40, 40 का राइट 50, 50 से भी बड़ा है 60, 60 के भी कहां जाएगा, दैट इज द 90। अगेन वी हैव टू बी फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस फैक्टर, इसका बैलेंस फैक्टर कितना आ जाएगा 0, अब इसका कितना आ जाएगा, सॉरी 0 -1 दैट इज द -1, 50 का 50 बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0 एंड राइट इज 2 दैट इज द -2। आई एम मेकिंग इट नेक्स्ट साइज दैट इज 40 20 50, इधर करते हैं कि इधर 40 था इधर 20 एंड हियर इज 50, हियर इज 9 8 and 10, here is 30 and 60, okay here is 60। when we have to be insert the 90 this side, so we have to be find out the balance factor, its balance factor is 0, its balance factor is 0, left height 1 right height 1, तो 1 -1 0, 30 का balance factor is 0, 20 का left height 1 and 2, left height 2 right height 1, तो 2 -1 that is the +1, 90 बैलेंस फैक्टर 0, लेफ्ट हाइट 60 का 0 राइट -1, 50 का लेफ्ट हाइट कितना है 0, 50 का राइट हाइट 1 and 2 दैट इज द -2 एंड 40 1 2 and 3 1 2 and 3, तो 40 बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0। तो वी हैव टू बी अप्लाई द रोटेशंस ऑन द 50 बैलेंस फैक्टर इज -2, तो विच एलिमेंट वी हैव टू बी इंसर्ट 90, 50 के राइट टू राइट मींस कौन सा रोटेशंस हो गया हमारा, that is RR, और RR क्या कहता है कि it will be rotate at one time and in the opposite side, means RR says that it will be rotate into the left side. So we have to be rotate into the left side. When we have to be rotate, so our tree is, that is 40, 20, 9, 30, 8, 10, and here is sorry, when we have to be rotate here, so what will become here? 60, here 50, and its right is 90. Again we have to be calculate the बैलेंस फैक्टर. 8 बैलेंस फैक्टर 0, 10 का बैलेंस फैक्टर 0, 9 का बैलेंस फैक्टर कितना आ गया 0 क्योंकि लेफ्ट हाइट -1, 30 बैलेंस फैक्टर 0, 50 ना लेफ्ट हाइट राइट हाइट 0, 90 बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0, 60 का बैलेंस फैक्टर लेफ्ट हाइट कितना है 1, राइट हाइट कितना है 1, दैट इज 1 - 1, दैट इज द 0. नाउ वी हैव टू बी कैलकुलेट द बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ 20, दैट इज लेफ्ट हाइट 1 and 2, राइट हाइट इज 1, तो 2 - 1 दैट इज द +1. 40, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, that is the balance factor. 3 - 2, that is the +1. So this is our final AVL tree. Okay, we have to be draw the AVL tree. एक बार समराइज करते हैं AVL tree में कि एलिमेंट कैसे इंसर्ट किया. ये मेरा किसकी प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो करके चलेगा? We have to be follow the property of the binary search tree. Second one, when we have to be insert the element, so every node has a balance factor. Every node has a balance factor, and its value be -1, 0, and +1. Means when we have to be insert a node in the AVL tree, so it will be, we have to be find out the balance factor, and that value is the -1, 0, and the +1. If its values goes beyond this value, so we have to be apply the rotations, and there are 4 type of rotations, LL and RR. Second, left right rotation या फिर right left rotation. So these, जब when we have to be apply these 2 rotations, we have to be rotate tree single time and in opposite side. Means when LL comes, it will be rotate into the right side, or when RR right rotations comes, it will be rotate into the left side. When these left right and right left R comes, we have to be rotate it 2 times. First left side, then right side here, then right side, and then the left side. Okay, now we have to be find out ki one thing more, ki we have to be discuss the BST, and we have to be draw a AVL tree. So if we have to be search out any element, we have to be search out any element, so what we do, we are using the BST, and where we are using the AVL tree, here we have shown that when we have to be draw an AVL tree, so every time we have to be insert one value. We have to be insert one value, means ki if this tree has a height 1, it has only one element, means 40, so we have to be find out easily. जैसे जैसे मेरे इसकी कि वी हैव टू बी इंक्रीज द हाइट ऑफ दिस ट्री मीन्स h, तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट दीज एलिमेंट्स. हाइट जितना मैक्सिमम होगा उतनी ट्री को क्या सर्च आउट करने में इट विल बी टेक द टाइम्स. और ऑलवेज व्हेन AVL ट्री की जब हम बात करते हैं कि हमेशा क्या यूज करता है, दैट विल बी स्टोर्ड ए सिंगल वैल्यूज, और व्हेन इट विल बी स्टोर्ड ए सिंगल वैल्यूज, तो इट विल बी ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन द प्राइमरी मेमोरी. वेयर इन द प्राइमरी मेमोरी में जब भी एलिमेंट्स को वी हैव टू बी इंसर्ट हेयर, तो AVL ट्री इज यूज्ड. सिंगल एलिमेंट्स को वो यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा है, तो हम AVL ट्री को बोल सकते हैं कि दैट इज द AVL ट्री. तो AVL ट्री इज नॉट बी ए गुड सॉल्यूशन बिकॉज इफ द हाइट इज h, इट विल बी टेक द टाइम. So we have to be find out the another solution, that is the B tree, where we have to be reduce the height. If height is reduced, then it will be take the less time. Okay. So here we have to be discuss, suppose this problem, that is here. Similarly, we have to be draw the problems in the alphabetically, means A. Then we have to be find out ki next is the Z. What is Z? Smaller है तो left side, larger है तो right side. Then the B, again B is what is? Okay, so we have to be similar when we have to be insert these values, we have to be insert the values these. At some time E is asking the some values. When we have to be asking the some values, March, May, November, August. So when we have to be insert, this is not with the month name. Firstly, when we have to be draw, firstly we have to be insert, that is March, MAR. Its balance factor is 0. When we have to be insert M, so we have to be compare M to M, both are same. Then we have to compare A to A, both are same. Then we have to compare R to Y. So Y is larger, so it will be goes here in the right side. Again we have to be find out the balance factor. So when we have to be draw the tree. One is main problem ki if suppose it will be find out the maximum height of a AVL tree if it has some number of nodes. Clear? If maximum height means agar mere paas ab we have only the one node, what is the height? Only this is a node, suppose. Clear? We have to be find out the height, maximum height we have to. Now we have to be how many nodes? 2 nodes. So we have to be this one, or या फिर मैं बात करूं this is the maximum height. तो we have to be find out कि here height is 0, height is इसका maximum nodes कितना है 1, तो इसका height कितना हुआ 1. Similar now we have to be insert, अगर मेरे पास कितने nodes हैं 3, तो what is the height? This left and this the right. Clear? We have to be draw this one. Another solution is this one and another is this one. Means कि we have to be type कितने टाइप से हम यहाँ पे ट्री को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं उसको BST को, दैट इज द 4 टाइप्स, बट वी हैव टू बी फाइंड आउट द मैक्सिमम. तो व्हेन वी हैव टू बी फाइंड आउट द मैक्सिमम, तो वी कैन बी से दैट दिस इज द मैक्सिमम हाइट और दिस इज द मैक्सिमम हाइट. क्लियर? तो सिमिलर वी हैव टू बी फाइंड आउट इफ वी हैव टू बी द 4 नंबर ऑफ नोड्स, तो व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ ट्री, एंड इफ वी हैव टू द 7 नंबर ऑफ नोड्स, तो वी हैव टू बी फाइंड आउट कि व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. So these are the main problems we have to be discussed in the AVL tree. Okay, in the B tree we have to be take the B tree in the next question. Thank you.